Are you tired of feeling stuck in your financial journey? What if I told you that the roadblocks you're facing are just myths? Today, we're going to bust 11 myths to set you on the path to financial freedom. Yes, you heard me right, myths. But not just any myths. We're talking about those pesky misconceptions about financial freedom that you've probably heard 1,000 times that affect your money mindset and keep you broke and struggling to make ends meet. These myths have been around for so long that they've become ingrained in our minds, acting as roadblocks on our path to financial independence. But here's the thing, they're just that, myths. They're not facts, and they certainly don't have to define your financial journey. We'll be delving into 10 of these myths, shattering them one by one, and replacing them with the truth to help you build a healthier money mindset. So whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're well on your way, this video is for you. Get ready to break free from these myths and embrace your financial freedom journey. Myth number 1. Ever thought financial freedom is a privilege of the rich? Think again. Financial freedom is not an exclusive club for the affluent. It's about being smart with your money no matter how much you have. Let's consider a tale of two friends, Jane and Joe. Jane, a teacher, earns a modest salary but puts a portion of every paycheck into savings and investments. Joe, a successful lawyer, earns a 6-figure income but spends all he earns and saves nothing. Fast forward 20 years, Jane, despite earning less, has a sizable nest egg while Joe is living paycheck to paycheck. The difference? Jane understood that financial freedom is not about how much you earn, but how wisely you manage it. So financial freedom isn't just for the wealthy, it's for everyone who manages their money wisely. Myth number 2. Think earning a 6-figure salary is your ticket to financial freedom? Let's bust this myth. Truth is, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep. Yes, a bigger paycheck can help, but it's the little things that really add up, like consistently saving a portion of your earnings and investing wisely. And let's not forget about the magic of compound interest. Imagine this, if you save and invest just $50 a week at a 7% return, in 30 years, you'll have nearly $300,000. Now, that's a fun fact to share at your next dinner party. So, don't be discouraged if you're not pulling in the big bucks. You can still be on your path to financial freedom. It's all about smart money habits. Remember, it's not about how much you earn, but how much you save and invest. Myth number 3. Ever associated financial freedom with early retirement? It's a common misconception. In reality, financial freedom goes beyond merely retiring early. It's about gaining control over your life and finances, so you can make choices without financial constraints. Imagine having the liberty to work on a passion project, start a business, or even take a year off to travel the world, all without worrying about the next paycheck. That's what financial freedom truly is. Now, don't get me wrong, if you want to retire early and spend your days golfing or gardening, that's fantastic. But remember, financial freedom is more about having options and less about retiring to the couch to binge watch your favorite shows. Although, if you've ever attempted a TV marathon, you'll know that even that can feel like a full-time job. Financial freedom isn't about retiring early, but having the choice to work or not. Are you loving the myths we're busting? Hit that subscribe button and support us in sharing the message of financial freedom for all. Myth number 4. Heard that investing is a risky game? Well, it's time to rethink. Let's bust this myth right now. Investing, my friends, is not a game of Russian roulette where you're blindly taking high-stakes risks. No, it's more like a game of chess. You have to study the board, understand the pieces, plan your moves, and sometimes, yes, take calculated risks. But here's the kicker. Those risks are calculated. They're thought out, planned, and mitigated against. So, how do you play this game of chess? It's all about having a diversified portfolio, spreading your investments across different types of assets. This helps to reduce the risk of losing all your money if one investment doesn't pan out. And remember the golden rule of investing. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Investing isn't risky if done wisely. It's about playing smart, not playing safe. Myth number 5. Think all debt is bad? Let's break this down. Have you ever heard of Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant? It's a nifty little diagram that puts debt into perspective. On one side, we have good debt, which is debt that puts money into your pocket. Think business loans or mortgages that allow you to invest in properties you rent out for a profit. On the other side, we have bad debt, which takes money away from you. This includes credit card debt used to buy that fancy espresso machine you just had to have. Look, we get it, we love a good latte too, but not when it's brewing up a storm of debt. So remember, it's not about avoiding debt altogether, but understanding the difference between good and bad debt. Not all debt is bad, it's about how you use it to your advantage. Myth number 6. Believe that penny pinching is the only way to financial freedom? Let's debunk this. It's not about living on bread and water, but about understanding where your money goes. Enter the Money Management System by T. Harv Eker. This system advocates dividing your income into 6 categories, each for a specific purpose, such as necessities, financial freedom, education, and even play. Yes, you heard it right, a category specifically for enjoying your money. This approach balances saving with spending, showing you that frugality doesn't mean depriving yourself of life's joys. It's about making conscious decisions and having control over your money, not the other way around. The key is to live within your means while also investing in your future and enjoying the present. So remember, living frugally can help, but financial freedom is about balance, not deprivation. Myth number 7. Think you need a PhD in finance to achieve financial freedom? Let's shatter this myth. The truth is, while understanding finances is important, you don't need to be an expert. What you need is curiosity, a willingness to learn, and the commitment to start small. Start by understanding your own finances, your income, and your expenses. Get comfortable with terms like interest, investment, and savings. Read books, watch videos, join finance communities. The journey to financial freedom is a learning process, and every little step you take is progress. Remember, as Albert Einstein once said, "The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education." It's not about knowing everything from the start, it's about learning along the way. So take a step today. No matter how small, you don't have to be a financial expert, just a lifelong learner. Myth number 8. Ever thought financial freedom means unlimited shopping sprees? Let's set the record straight. Financial freedom isn't a golden ticket to a world of endless consumption. It's not about buying that swanky sports car on a whim or impulsively booking a first-class trip to the Maldives. No, my friends, it's about making informed spending decisions. It's about knowing your budget, understanding your wants versus your needs, and spending within your means. It's about making your money work for you, not against you. It's about responsible spending that ensures your financial security, not jeopardizing it. So remember, next time you're tempted to splurge because you think financial freedom gives you that liberty, take a step back. Ask yourself, is this purchase adding value to my life? Is it in line with my financial goals? Because, my friends, financial freedom isn't about splurging, but making informed spending decisions. Myth number 9. Think it's too late to start your journey to financial freedom? Let's bust this myth. The path to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. And the great news is, there's no cutoff age to start running. Take Ray Kroc, for instance. He was 52 when he bought the first McDonald's franchise, and we all know how that turned out. Or consider Harlan Sanders, who was in his 60s when he started Kentucky Fried Chicken. Now, I'm not saying you need to start a fast food empire to achieve financial freedom, but these stories illustrate that it's never too late to start. You might have more years under your belt, but that also means you've got more wisdom and life experience to draw upon. So whether you're 25, 45, or 65, remember, financial freedom is not an age, it's a mindset. It's never too late to start your journey to financial freedom. Myth number 10. Believe that inheritance is the only way to financial freedom? Let's debunk this. Some of the wealthiest individuals on the planet started from scratch, armed with only their wit, grit, and determination. Take Elon Musk, for instance. He didn't inherit a fortune. Instead, he built his own through relentless innovation and an unyielding entrepreneurial spirit. Or how about Oprah Winfrey? She rose from poverty to become one of the most influential women in the world, all through her talent and tenacity. So, do you still think you need a golden goose to lay your financial freedom eggs? Not really. Your golden goose could be your own drive, your own skills, your own ambition. Remember, your wealth is not determined by the size of the inheritance you receive, but by the size of the dreams you dare to achieve. Financial freedom isn't about inheritance, but creating your own wealth. Myth number 11. Think real estate is the only sure path to wealth? Let's shatter this myth. It's true, many have amassed fortunes from real estate, but it's not the only game in town. The investment world is a vast ocean, teeming with opportunities. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, index funds, and even cryptocurrencies are all avenues that people have navigated to wealth. Each has its own risk and reward profile and requires different skills and knowledge. Diversification is key. Spreading your investments across different asset classes can potentially reduce risk and smooth out returns. It's about finding the right mix for you, your goals, and your comfort with risk. Remember, The best investment you can make is in yourself. Equip yourself with financial knowledge, stay curious, and be open to learning. Wealth isn't just about the destination, it's about the journey. Investing isn't limited to real estate. There are many paths to wealth. We've busted 10 major financial myths today. From the illusion that financial freedom is reserved for the wealthy, to the myth that you need to earn a colossal salary to be financially free. We've also shattered the misconception that financial freedom equates to early retirement and debunked the fear that investing is too risky. We've differentiated between good and bad debt, highlighted the importance of enjoying life alongside frugality, and emphasized that you don't have to be a financial expert to achieve financial freedom. We've dispelled the myth that financial freedom means limitless spending, and affirmed it's never too late to start your journey towards financial independence. We've celebrated self-made success stories and revealed the diversity in investment options beyond real estate. Now it's over to you to take control of your financial future by shattering and releasing these myths, because these myths are limiting beliefs that keep you from financial independence and living the abundant, prosperous life you desire. The ball is now in your court. What action will you take today to set yourself free from your limiting beliefs? Please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video. Your support helps us bring more content like this to you. Until next time, keep shattering those financial myths.